All right, all you wonderful freedom-loving boys and girls, whomever you are, wherever you are, welcome to Centerline Systems. Hey, just a short little video talking about folding saws. So I did a little small, what do they call them? Short, just a few minutes ago, talking about these shooting stands that we just built. But so we came up here to just kind of finish the, to complete the stands, leave them here. We're going to set them up here maybe over the weekend. But we had to get, be prepared to clear out some branches and things. So I'm going to plug a couple of my own products, folding saw pouch. So, on your waist, in your rucksack, but just, you can carry, well, you know the deal. Couple different ways it can be worn because of the molly. You can attach it, like I said, around your belt, a rucksack, throw it in the rucksack. That rear sheath in the back is where you can put a camp axe, so. But for today, I just wanted to make sure I brought up a couple folding saws in case we had to clear some branches. So I've got my little silky gomboy in here. And then I brought the big boy with me as well. And because we're out here and we're using power tools and cutting stuff down, got to have a first aid kit. This is the kick-ass medical deployment pouch we make for Jack and all of his great fans over at Black Scout Survival. So in case there was an injury, I've got a no joke boot, more than a boo-boo kit here, but I just attached that to the front of my big boy, and then inside of the pouch, honestly, one of my favorite songs, it should be a song, favorite saws ever, Silky Big Boy. I just love it when they came out with these new handles, but this guy's been getting some use, really like it. But same thing with the big boy folding saw pouch. Throw it in your rucksack, attach it to your rucksack. And this is a little bit larger than the standard smaller folding saws, but same thing. You've seen me in other videos. You can rig this up for shoulder straps. I can still rig this up. I could have had this on my belt if I wanted to. You do you. But if you're going to go out in the woods, and I really encourage you to do it, especially if you're thinking about hunting season, well, maybe you should have done this a long time ago, but get out there before season opens, start clearing your shooting lanes, getting everything set up. But whenever you're out in the woods, make sure you have gear, make sure you know how to use it so you're prepared, right? Because better to have and not need than need and not have. All right, I got Paul, otherwise known as, well, he does all the heavy lifting now, so he's like the strong man. Forgetting anything? We good?
I think we're good.
All right, we're good. So, hey, everybody, if you got questions, comments, you know the deal. Reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, never quit. All right, everybody, be good. Woo!